Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Kat's Tiny Kitchen. We're going to do a really quick one tonight. I'm going to make some oven fries to go with some lamb shoulder chops that I got that I'm going to cook up. So I just wanted to share this recipe with you. It's pretty simple. I got my bag here, and I'm not measuring out. I'm just going to guesstimate. And I need a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I need about a tablespoon of paprika. We're just going to shake it in there. And I got some Italian season, about a teaspoon. I'm going to say about a teaspoon. And then we got some onion powder, about a teaspoon of that. Then I got about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I got some garlic salt here. And we're going to shake about a teaspoon in there too. Now we got all of our seasonings in there. I'm going to add, these are 3 small potatoes that I've got chunked up. Some oven fries. Get all my taters in here. Come on, don't be hidden. Okay, so now I'm going to zip this up. And I'm going to start mixing all these together. I'm going to get them all coated really good. Now if you want to, I didn't add it tonight. But if you want to add some spice to it, you can add some cayenne pepper. And that'll just give it a little zip. So I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. And I got the oven set at 350. And I'm going to bake it for about 30 to 45 minutes depending. I'm going to keep an eye on the potatoes. We're going to let these sit for a little bit and get some flavor in the taters, and then we're going to throw them in the oven, and I'll be back to show you what we got. So we're at 30 minutes on the bake, and right now I'm going to flip these. Try and get them flipped and get them browned on the other side. So, well, some of them stuck. It is what it is. I'll get her. There you go. And these are just about done. I'll probably put them in for another maybe 20 minutes. So I want to get a little bit of a crisp on it because they're really not crisp yet. And we'll be back. So our oven fries are done. They got a little bit of a crisp on them. More like a steak fry, but they're going to be really good. I'd like to thank you all for coming along today for this little shorty short, and I hope you all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.